General characters of algae, part 2. Already we have studied the general characters of algae, and remaining portion of general characters of algae. So in algae, the reserved food material is mainly starch, but in some classes of algae such as Xanthophyceae, Bacillariophyceae and Dinophyceae, fat and oils are present as reserved food materials. In Phaeophyceae are brown algae, laminarian and mannitol as a reserved food material, but in Rhodophyceae are red algae, Floridian starch as a reserved food material. In Mixophyceae are blue-green algae, Mixophycean starch presents. In general, the starch is present in algae, but different type of starch present in some members. What about the vegetative reproduction? So vegetative reproduction means reproduction takes place by using the vegetative parts of the plant body. So vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation, fission and formation of akinetics, tubers, harmonia, etc. So fragmentations means the plant body breaks into fragments and each fragment gives rise to the new plant. Fission, here the plant divides into, here the cells divide into, parent cell divide into two daughter cells, and each daughter cell gives rise to the new plants. Asexual reproduction takes place by the formation of the zoospore, autospore, carpospore, tetraspore, endospore, aplanospores. Means here the asexual reproduction always takes place by the different types of spores. So sexual reproduction takes place by the formation of the male and the female gametes. There are three types of the sexual reproduction found in algae. Number one, the isogamous types of the sexual reproduction. Here, male and the female gametes are morphologically similar. I means they are same size and shape. In case of the anisogamy, the both male and female gametes are motiles, but they are dissimilar in size. In case of the oogamous types of the reproduction, female gametes always large and motile, while the male gametes always small and motile. For example, Vaucheria.